Geopbyte.
Welcome to the Geopbyte. Dear children, our next topic mathematics. Bar graph or chart. Bar graph or chart 1 mark. 1 mark. So last 6 years also they given 5 questions. From the last 6 years they given 5 questions. That 5 previous questions we had discussed. This type of question looking like difficult. Once you are enter into the problem, very easy question. Okay, look at here. Bar graphs. Bar graphs actually representation with histograms. Histograms consist of the rectangles looking like this. Okay, these are called histograms. Histograms consist of the rectangle shape boxes. Rectangle shape boxes. This type of diagram questions very easy. Okay, for reading purpose. Okay, looking time taken, but concept is very easy, children. In the charts we have only 4 questions: maximum and minimum. Where is the highest? Where is the maximum? Where is the minimum? So here, where is the highest? This is the highest. Where is the minimum? This is the minimum. This type of questions. Second one, average concept. Average. Suppose this diagrams, this histograms. Okay, this bar chart given in terms of the books production. Suppose in 2010 the production of the books 15,000. Suppose 10,000, 5,000, here 20,000, the production of the books. So what is the average production of the 2010, 2011, 12, 13, all years together? What is the average production? What is the average production means? What is the immediate logic here? Sum of observations by number of observations. Okay, this is our logic. So add all the value upon 4. Next, ratio concept. So ratio. So what is the ratio of the books production of the 2010 to 2013? So 15,000 is to 20,000. 1000 is representation with the K in real life. Last point, percentage increase. Percentage increase or decrease. Percentage increase or decrease. This word very important. So from 2012 to 2013, how much percentage increase? So here 5,000, this is 20,000. So 5,000 to 20,000 means how much increased here? 15 increase. Okay, compare with 5 into 100. So percentage increase or decrease. What is your logic already you know? In a percentages concept, difference always compare with the original value. Difference of original into 100. We are applying this formula. Okay, children. Okay, let's start. Okay, children, concentrate these 5 previous questions. Easily you can identify 1 mark in your examination. Okay, observe clearly. Study the bar graph shown below and answer the question. Okay, we are reading the diagram and answer the question. Look at the problem here. In which subject highest marks were scored? In which subject highest marks were scored? Okay, easily you can identify which diagram is the highest here. Hindi, English, Maths, Art, Science. So which diagram highest? So mathematics. So answer is mathematics. Option D is the answer. In your hand 1 mark. Okay, so this type of diagrams don't confuse. Easily you are getting 1 mark. Okay, next. Study the bar graph shown below and answer the question. Okay, study the bar graph first of all. Runs scored. This is called x-axis. This is called y-axis. So the diagrams is inserted in between the x-axis and y-axis. The information kept in the bar charts. Okay, runs scored. X-axis is consist of the hours. So first hour, second hour, third hour, fourth hour, fifth hour. Okay, now here in the fifth hour runs two runs. In the fourth hour is 4 runs. In the third hour is total 12 runs. Okay, total 12 runs. The length is 12. Okay, no. The length of the histogram, the length of this rectangle is 12 highest. That means 12 runs. Next. In the first hour is 6 runs. In the second hour is 10 runs. Okay, now clearly observed. Now what is the question here? The total score of the team after 5 hours. Okay, the total score. Total score means add all the values. Completed then. So what is the answer? In the first 2 hours 6. Okay. In the second hour 10. Okay. In the third hour 12. Okay. Fourth hour is 4 runs. Fifth hour is 2 runs. So add all the values. Okay. 6 to 8 to 10 14 34. So 1 total 34. Add all the values 34. Which option is the answer? Option 4 is the answer. Okay, children, got it? Okay, now once again, clearly add all the values. Okay, here 2, 4, 6, 6, 12, 22, 22, 12, 34. Okay, next. These questions completely previous questions only. Children, concentrate. Next one. Same. This is x-axis and y-axis. The information kept in x-axis and y-axis and representation with the histograms, it is a bar chart. Study the bar graph shown below and answer the question. So English 20. Here y-axis represents marks obtained. So in English 20 marks, Science 50, Hindi 60, so Maths 70. Then what is the problem? The sum of marks in Hindi and mathematics is Hindi and mathematics. So Hindi how many marks? 60. Hindi. Mathematics 70. So answer 130. So where is the option? Option C is the right answer. Children, are you getting the concept? This type of concept 1 mark in our examination. Easily you can identify. Okay, children. Next. Clearly observe. January, February, March, April, May months given. This is x-axis and y-axis. Information kept in x-axis and y-axis. Representation with the histograms. The incomplete bar graph. They mentioned incomplete bar graph because here histogram given, here histogram given, here histogram given, here 2 not given. Okay. The incomplete bar graph shows the Samyukta's saving during the first 5 months of the particular year. Okay, Samyukta's saving. So Samyukta's saving given for the first 5 months of the particular year. She saved of total of 950 rupees. So totally she saved 950 rupees in the 5 months. During the 5 months. The amount of money saved in the February was, okay, concentrate here in this line. The amount of money saved in the February was as much as that. As much as that means same money. Suppose in a February, suppose X rupee, March is also X rupee, March X rupee, February also X rupee, same money. Okay, the amount of money saved in February was as much as that saved in a March. So in a March month she saved suppose Y rupee, in a February also Y rupee. In a March month suppose 100 rupee, in a February also same 100 rupee. Okay, children. Then what is the question? How much? How much she saved in a February month? Okay, how much she saved in a February month? Okay, so we don't know February month how much is saving. March, I don't know. So March you take X. Obviously, X. February is also X. Add all the values. In January, how much? This is actually 160. This is 180. 180. Here 100. Children observe, concentrate. This 100. In a May month, same 180. 180, 180, 100. Okay. Add all the value. 180 plus X plus X plus 100 plus 180 is equal to total amount she saved 950 rupees. 180, 180, 360, 460 rupees. So 2x is equal to 950 minus 460. So 0, 0. So same 0. 5, 6 impossible. You can borrow from here. 15 minus 6. So 9. This is 8. 8 minus 4, 4. So 2x is equal to 490. So 2x is equal to 490. So x is equal to 490 by 2. So answer 2 ones, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s and 5s. 245 is the answer. So where is the option? Option A is the answer. Okay, children. Are you getting everything? Next. This one. Observe. Read the bar graph showing the mode of transport used by students of a school. Suppose you are going to a school. Okay, the transportation way maybe school bus, maybe your parents' car, maybe your bicycle, or very near school. Then by foot. Okay, so number of students, school bus. So school bus, how many people using the school bus? 400 students, 400 people using the school bus. Car, how many students? 200. Bicycle, 500. By foot, so 300 members. Okay, this is mode of the transportation. Okay, the number of students, mode of the transportation is school bus is 400, car 200, bicycle 500, by foot 300. Okay, completed. So bar graph reading completed. Now go to the question. What is the least number of mode of transportation used by the students? What is the least mode? Least means smallest diagram. What is the smallest diagram? Car. So what is the answer? Car. Once again, clearly observe the question. What is the least number of mode of transport used by the students? So used by the students, what is the smallest diagram here? Car. This is the smallest diagram. So answer car. So what is the option then? Option D is the answer. Okay, children. This every question also previous year question only. Compare with the last 6 years. You got 1 mark. Last. The following pictograph. The following pictograph shows the number of orange boxes. Number of orange boxes sold by a trader in a 4 days. So Monday 4 boxes. Tuesday 3 boxes. Friday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes Friday. Sunday 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. The symbol, this is box. This box contain this big box, this circle content represents 50 boxes. Each one 50 boxes existing again. Here 50 boxes, in the box 50, in the circle 50, in the circle 50. Okay, each box also contain 50 boxes. Okay, the symbol, this circle is representation with 50 boxes. One circle is equal to the 50 boxes. So this one circle is equal to 50 boxes. Okay, remember children, remember. Okay, one circle is equal to 50 boxes. Now go to the question. How many total number of boxes did he sell Tuesday and Sunday? Tuesday and Sunday means this is Tuesday, this is Sunday. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, clearly observe. 6 here 3, 9. This one 3, this one 6. So total 9 circles. So 9 into each circle contain 50 boxes. 9 5s 450. So which option is satisfied? Option B is the right answer. Okay children. This type of pictorial diagram or bar chart compulsory one problem in Navodaya examination. Okay.
Geopbyte.